Good afternoon, traders. It is Wednesday, January 9th, 2019, and the U.S. stock market is closed. We had kind of a boring day today, but in spite of being a bit boring, it was still profitable for us, but nothing like what we've seen in the previous 2 days. Where combine those 2 days together, we had something like over $85,000 in profit. Today, we only had 4 positions coming in, but they did pretty well. We closed out profits of over $8,000. Hey, there's plenty of days I would take $8,000 in profits as a very good day. So I'm pretty pleased with that. We only got into 5 new positions. 2 of those are positive, 3 are negative, and we're holding negative just over $1,000 in open trade. One of those stocks looks pretty good in the aftermarket, so we could still get out of that with a little bit of profit tomorrow. We'll just have to see. Maybe it'll be a big profit. You never know in the never know in the stock market what's going to happen. It's very difficult to predict. Looking here at the Dow, you can see what's happening. We've actually had 4 consecutive up days in a row, and but each day getting a little less volatile. And today, stocks open up positive, then sold off a little, went slightly negative 1 point in the day, came back, and then sold off a little at the end. Officially, we're up 92 points on the day. I always get nervous when we have 4 up days in a row, particularly with this kind of declining volatility. It's very possible tomorrow we could see a negative day, but I'm certainly not looking to see any big sell-off. I think this is still showing like it's pretty solid, but you never know. Some crazy news hits a thing, and you never know what's going to happen. I'll show you just a couple of the good trades we had today. This first one. This is a trade we got out of today. This is Meat Group Incorporated, and we got into this with about 2 hours to go yesterday. It closed profitably on the close, and then it had a really nice pop up here at the beginning of the day, and we got out of there with $2,700. Yeah, if we'd stayed on another hour, we could have made maybe $1,000 more, but it did tail off after that buying rally right here, and ended up closing about where we got out of it. So I think we did pretty good with our exit there in MEAT, M-E-E-T. And then this was the best trade we had. This is ACEA Communications. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. It's ACIA, and the symbol is ACIA. Okay. ACEA Communications. We bought that yesterday about midday. It kept moving very nicely after we got in, and popped up there very nicely for our exit. And we took $3,700 out of that. And look at this. We just about sold the top of the move today. So that was a beautiful exit in ACEA Communications. Anyway, as I say, kind of a slow, boring day, but nevertheless profitable. We'll be glad to take that. This is Trader Bob signing off. I will be back here tomorrow on Thursday.